From the Storm Team Weather Lab, KAMC meteorologist Jacob Riley.
Well, happy Friday, Junior. Only one more day between us and the weekend. It looks like a very nice weekend will be in store for us across the South Plains. Out there tonight, though, things are beginning to clear up across the area. We had a couple of clouds around earlier as the upper level low system tracked to the north and east of Lubbock, but that has since pushed on off out of our area. You can't really see it now, but again, most of those clouds have exited the region. As we take a look at our satellite and radar right now, notice a couple of higher level clouds down near Brownfield. Those are beginning to fade, and that pattern will continue overnight tonight. We'll see a mostly clear sky, but again, here's that low pressure system right near the Oklahoma, Kansas, Missouri, and Arkansas region. That will continue to track on off to the east, actually bringing some snow to the northern portions of the natural state. But here, things are really going to begin to warm up as we head into the weekend. Right now, as we head on into the weekend Saturday, notice a weak trough moving through our area. That'll kind of bring those winds up just a little bit for the day on Saturday. But after that, notice a weak ridge begins to build in. That ridge is going to bring those high temperatures up into the middle and upper 60s, even some lower 70s possible there Saturday on into your Sunday. But then notice what happens later next week. A trough begins to dig in by Tuesday, and Wednesday on into Thursday, that really begins to amplify through our region with a negative tilt, which actually what that translates to is an increased chance of rainfall later this next week on into the weekend. So as we take a look Tuesday here, we could have some light showers to the north of Lubbock. Not expecting really any wintry mix, but again, some light rain showers will be possible. Notice though, as we head on into Thursday of next week, some more heavy rain showers will be possible across the region. So this rainfall estimate is from the model we just looked at, the global forecasting system. Notice it shows between 1/4 and 1/2 inch here in the hub city. Back on off to the north and west, though, some heavier amounts up there. So this is just one model. Our next model, the European model, keeps us dry here in Lubbock through the same time period. So again, we could see some more rain chances move in later next week, but right now we're just going to keep a watch on that for you. Nothing really is certain just yet, but again, the possibility will be there, especially for the second half of next week. And really, if we could get any rainfall in, that will definitely help out with our drier conditions right now. The latest drought monitor does have some abnormally dry conditions there in the yellow. Notice here in Lubbock, things are good for now, but we're starting to see some of those drier conditions sneak in from the south and west as well. So we'll keep an eye on that for you. Over the next 6 to 10 days, we're going to see those above average temperatures continue here for the hub city, and that's really going to linger on into the next 2 weeks. So what that means for this time of year, typically we'll see those temperatures back up into the middle and upper 60s, and maybe a couple of days where we see some lower 70s as well. Overnight tonight, getting down to a low right around freezing 32. A few clouds early, Lauren, but those will continue to push on out of our area. Rather chilly tonight as well. Winds will be calm, so that's going to allow us to cool off quite a bit overnight tonight. We'll be to 60 tomorrow, 68 by Saturday, 60 sticking around with us through Monday. But again, on Tuesday, that's when we could see that trough dig into our area, bringing us some cooler temperatures. And notice the next Thursday, 48 degrees. But we're not going to talk about that, okay? We're just going to focus on the 60s this weekend. Enjoy the warm spring-like weather.
Yeah, for sure. And for a few days in a row.
Yeah,
it's a nice little treat. Well, Patrick.